This is how to use the speech screen on the touch keyboard. You can start and stop your speech control by using two dedicated buttons in the lower right-hand corner. To score your speech control, you can use the dedicated scoring buttons on the touchscreen. In the top left corner of the screen, you have information about Channel 1. You can see the intensity. You can see ear side, transducer, and stimuli. To change these, click the drop-down button. This presents you with different options. On the right side of the screen, you have information about Channel 2. To enable this, you increase the intensity. To turn this off, you decrease the intensity. The mask icon tells you if Channel 2 is currently being used as a masking channel. Click the drop-down menu to view and select other options for Channel 2. In the middle of the screen, you can see the two previous words, the current word that is being played, and the two next words in the list. Under each word that has been played, you can see the score. In the top middle of the screen, you have information about speech score and word count. You also have information about speech material and word list. To store the results, you can either use the record button or the button on the rotary dial. In the central drop-down, you can select your speech material and your word list. Thank you for watching.